Top 5 most dangerous wild predators in the world. Stay tuned, things are about to get wild. Deep in the wild, nature's fierce creatures reign supreme. Their power, strategy, and survival instincts are unmatched. Ready to discover what makes them unstoppable? Number 5. Spotted hyena. Spotted hyenas are notorious for their bone-crushing jaws and unrelenting stamina. They are highly adaptable scavengers and hunters, capable of taking down large prey like wild beasts. Known for their eerie laugh, they thrive in organized clans led by dominant females. Why so ferocious? Their powerful bite, aggression, and teamwork make them deadly. Lifespan about 12 to 25 years. Prey, wild beasts, zebras, and antelopes. Predators, lions often kill hyenas, though not for food. Habits and lifestyle. Found in sub-Saharan Africa, they prefer savanna and grassland, living in hierarchical clans. Number 4. Grey wolf. The grey wolf is a symbol of the wildness, known for its sharp intelligence and teamwork, traveling in packs. Wolves are strategic hunters, capable of taking down prey much larger than themselves. Why so ferocious? Their pack hunting, speed, and persistence are unmatched. Lifespan about 6 to 8 years in the wild. Prey, deer, elk, and moose. Predators, rarely preyed upon, though large bears or humans may pose a threat. Habits and lifestyle. Native to North America, Europe, and Asia. Wolves thrive in forests, tundras, and grasslands. They live in tight-knit packs with structured social roles. Don't miss it. Watch our last adventure too. Number 3. Lion. Lions, the kings of the jungle, are apex predators, renowned for their strength and pride-based living. Male lions boast majestic manes, while lionesses lead hunting efforts, displaying extraordinary coordination. Why so ferocious? Their brute force and ability to hunt cooperatively make them lethal. Lifespan about 10 to 14 years in the wild. Prey, zebras, buffalo, and antelope. Predators, no natural predator, but lion cubs may fall victim to hyenas or leopards. Habits and lifestyle. Found in sub-Saharan Africa and parts of India. Lions live in prides of up to 30 members, consisting of related females and one or more males. Number 2. Nile crocodile. The Nile crocodile is a prehistoric predator with unparalleled stealth and power. Often lurking underwater, they ambush prey with astonishing speed and grip, dragging them into the depth. Why so ferocious? Their surprise attacks, powerful jaw, and death rolls are deadly. Lifespan up to 70 years. Prey, fish, zebras, and even large mammals. Predator, few threats, though large cats or humans may kill them. Habits and lifestyle. Found in rivers, lakes, and marshes across Africa. They are solitary ambush predators. Enjoying the video? Hit subscribe. And now, the wildest predator on earth, tiger. The tiger is the largest and most powerful big cat, an apex predator that rules its territory with stealth and ferocity. Known for their striking stripes, they are solitary hunters who rely on raw strength and ambush tactics. Why so ferocious? Their combination of strength, agility, and solitary hunting powers makes them top predators. Lifespan about 10 to 15 years in the wild. Prey, deer, wild boars, and buffalo. Predators, none, though humans are a threat. Habitat and lifestyle. Tigers are found in India, Russia, and Southeast Asia. Primary in forests and grasslands. They are solitary, making large territories on their own. Conclusion. These animals are nature's ultimate survival machine, each adapted to dominate their environments. Their ferocity stems from their evolutionary arm race to thrive in the wild. From the forests of Siberia to the plains of Africa, their lifestyle are shaped by their habitats and social structures, making them fascinating subjects for storytelling. Of course, there are other fierce animals that could make this list too. Think about jaguars, polar bears, wolverines, Komodo dragon, and black mamba. Who would you add?